Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see how we could pass serializable object in intent and also int, string, double, data type, etc. in intent. For that, first we will create a new project, empty views activity, give a name to the project and language Kotlin, finish. In the main activity XML file, we need a button on clicking of which we will start a new activity. Button ID start second activity. Button text start second activity. In the main activity, set onClick listener on the button. First, we will see how we could send int, string, double, data type, etc. in intent. I have created three values: name, age, and height. Name is string, age is int, and height is double data type. We need another activity now. Right click in the package where main activity is there. New activity, empty views activity. Second activity, language Kotlin. In the second activity XML file, we will create three text views to display name, age, and height. First text view ID name, second text view ID age, and third text view ID height. In the main activity onClick listener, we will create an intent. First parameter context this. Second parameter is the activity that we are starting. Second activity. In intent put extra, first parameter is the key and second parameter is the value that we want to send to the second activity. The key will be required to get the value in the second activity. After that, start activity and in the parameter passing the intent. In the second activity, we will get the values from the intent using corresponding keys of the value. For name, intent.getStringExtra in the parameter key name. For getting string value, get string extra. For int value, get int extra. For double, get double extra. For int and double data type, in the second parameter need to pass a default value in case there is no data in the intent. For string, do not need to pass default value. Then in corresponding text views, set the value for name, age, and height. In text views, value should be string, so we are converting int and double to string while setting in text view. In main activity, intent should be val, not var. I have run the app in real mobile device. On clicking start second activity is starting and name, age, and height is showing. Now we will pass serializable object in intent. For that, we will be required a class which implements serializable. Right click in the package, new Kotlin class, class name person. It will implement serializable interface. In the constructor of the class, need to pass the val, name, age, and height. In Kotlin, that is enough. No need to do any more code. In main activity, we will create an instance of the person class. Then in intent.putExtra key and the object person. That's it. In second activity, intent.getSerializableExtra in the parameter passing the key. Then as person, we are casting it to person class. This is how we do it. GetSerializableExtra is deprecated from API level 33. We will see what is the solution of it. In the text views, person.name, person.age toString, person.height.toString. Now if we run the app, it is working. GetSerializableExtra is deprecated from API level 33. So the solution is if build.version.sdkint is greater than or equal to build.versioncodes.tiramisu, then intent.getSerializableExtra first parameter key and second parameter is the class person. Else old way, intent.getSerializableExtra in the parameter key and then as person. Now if we run the app, it's working fine. But if you require this code multiple times in a class, then it would be time consuming and also there is chances of error. We could create a generic function so that we could reuse it in multiple places. Create a generic function fun t:serializable, function name getSerializableExtra. In the parameter activity key and the class that we want to cast :t inside curly brackets return. We will copy the if-else block from the above and paste it here. Since the class to t, person class java2 class getSerializableExtra key name activity.intent. We will call it from above val person GetSerializableExtra. First parameter activity this, second parameter key obj, and third parameter is the class person class Java. We are done. I have run the app in my real mobile device. It is working. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give a like to the video and do subscribe the channel to keep watching my videos like this. See you in another video. Till then, bye and take care.